Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Outlook search not working issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. Without any further delay, let's start. So if you have been wondering and if you have been encountering the problem of search not working issue on Outlook, then what you can do is, first, if you're using it on your application, then you're going to exit from your application, then you're going to reopen and re-sign in. If that also doesn't work, then leave the app itself and go ahead, open up the browser and search in Outlook, and here sign in and start using it. The search or the search bar will start working properly over here. Then if that doesn't help as well, then you have to go to the process of rebuild the search index. You simply have to exit your Outlook again. As I mentioned, simply close the application, then again open your and simply go to browser. Once you have signed in, you're simply gonna go to the control panel. From there, go to the indexing options, and then simply have to under index this location. Make sure Microsoft Outlook is selected in the index this location, and then if it's not, then go ahead, reset it, and then tap on modify again if you have to add it. Once you have done that, you will be able to click on advanced and tap on rebuild, and then simply confirm the process, and there you go. Restart your app again, and that is okay. That's how you will be able to fix it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.